Kafurahia kabisa serikali imewapatia kazi, kwa sababu tungeendelea na senior schools au walimu wangekaa muda mrefu sana kabla wapate kazi. Sasa junior school imetokea, wamepewa kazi, wanakula mishahara minono vizuri, badala ya kufanya kazi wameanza siasa. Sasa wamefika pale wanasema wanataka autonomy. Autonomy ya kwenda wapi? Wanasema wanataka autonomy, watafutiwe shamba, wajengewe shule yao junior, and some of them are just 2 years kwa kazi, 3 years kwa kazi. Sisi tumefanya kazi miaka zaidi ya 20 na hata hii kazi ilitupata, hii uongozi ulitupata tu kwa sababu ya kazi yetu.
They are becoming notorious and they are still very young. They need time to grow. The way we grew until we became where we are today. So tell them to take their time and grow so that they can learn from us. Somebody cannot come from home and become a head teacher from where?
We as the head of the institution, we have a lot that we undertake in the institutions where we are. So we are requesting that because of the duties that we perform, we were also requesting that maybe we might be given the clerks in our schools to help us do some of the duties that HOS are not supposed to perform. So that is why we are asking that the remuneration that we are supposed to be given should be at D3.